Good afternoon. I'm looking for staff counsel, so I just sent a message out, so I'm going to hold off until staff joins. All right, Doug, can you hear me?
Just fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to start. I know that they were included on the proposed procedural schedule, so we're just going to go ahead.
You're going on the record?
Yep, thank you.
You're on.
Okay, great. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 12th, 2025. It's approximately 1:05 p.m. My name is Christine Burke. I'm a public utility law judge with the Maryland Public Service Commission. We're here today for a pre-hearing conference in case number 9767, which is captioned Halo Warwick LLC's application for a certificate of public convenience and necessity to construct a 5-megawatt solar photovoltaic generating facility in Kent County, Maryland. Can I have appearances of counsel, please, beginning with the applicant?
Yes, Your Honor, and good afternoon. My name is Colleen Collins from Gordon Feinblatt. On behalf of the applicant, Halo Warwick LLC, I would like to also enter the appearance of my colleague, Mr. David Biebowitz.
Hey, good afternoon. For Office of People's Counsel?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Milan Teklemikhail on behalf of the Maryland Office of People's Counsel.
Good afternoon. And for PPRP?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Steve Tolson for PPRP. And I would also like to enter the appearance of AAG Sandra McLemore. And also on the call with us today is the PPRP project manager for this case, Ms. Robin Lee.
Great, thank you. Good afternoon. I would note that on that applicant filed a certificate of publication to comply with the notice of pre-hearing conference Under mail log number 316571, that notice of today's hearing was published in the Kent County News on February 27th and March 6th. Ms. Collins, do you want that entered into the record?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, that'll be marked and entered as applicant's exhibit 1. I did want to note for the applicant that when you're doing the publication, to please make sure that it complies exactly with the notice. I observed on the attachments that it indicated to join today's hearing, the public could contact our office. And generally for a pre-hearing conference, that's not the procedure, and it causes some confusion for the general public as far as when they can participate in public comment hearings, but not in a pre-hearing conference. So
Understood.
just be
We'll make sure
mindful.
Absolutely. Will do, Your Honor.
Thanks. And I did not see any petitions to intervene in the case. Is anyone else aware of a petition to intervene?
No, Your Honor.
I received the copy of the proposed procedural schedule. I'm going to run through the dates. I had a couple questions and some conflicts that I want to get other people's availability for. The dates that were submitted were for Monday, April 28th, 2025 for the applicant's direct testimony and decommissioning plan. May 8th would be the preferable date for the evening first virtual public comment hearing. That'll begin at 7 p.m. July 18th for the final decommissioning plan and site plan to be submitted to PPRP. August 15th, 2025, the date for PPRP, OPC, and staff's direct testimony. And then for the in-person second evening public comment hearing, I'm looking at the week of September 1st, I believe. Yes, is anybody unavailable the week of September 1st? Obviously, the 1st is Labor Day, but that week, is there anybody that has a conflict for a public comment hearing?
I do believe we have some other, the firm has some other hearings that week, so I'd have to double check with my applicant, but I can ask for sure. I will do
Okay.
that.
Just let me know if there's any dates that week that aren't available. I'm looking probably at the 4th, 3rd or 4th.
OPC does not have any conflicts with the first week of September, including the 4th.
PRP. You're muted, Mr. Tolson.
Oh, sorry. They're celebrating Pi Day here. It's noisy. No conflicts.
And good afternoon, staff. For the record, do you want to enter your appearance?
Yes, Jennifer Purvis, appearing on behalf of staff. I apologize. I did not realize that Annette was not here today. So.
Okay, do you know if staff will have a conflict the week of September 1st, looking at the 3rd or 4th for evening public comment hearing?
No, we will not have a conflict. We can make that work.
There was no date included on the schedule for supplemental testimony from PPRP between the evening public comment hearing and the settlement status update. I see that in some cases that is the case, and sometimes it wasn't on this. I just had a question whether PPRP would anticipate any supplemental testimony to address anything raised in public comment hearings prior to going forward with the evidentiary hearing.
No, Your Honor, I don't believe there'll be supplemental testimony. Basically, there could be recommended licensing conditions after that hearing, but they would not be accompanied by supplemental testimony unless it was an unusual case. If that happens, then we'll seek relief at the time.
Okay. I have September 26th for a settlement status update and October 9th for evidentiary hearing if there's no contested issues. Are there any conflicts for those dates?
None for PRP, Your Honor.
No conflicts for OPC, Your Honor.
I believe we have no conflicts, but I'll run it past the applicant and be 100% sure and follow up, Your Honor.
And that hearing will be converted to a status conference should there still be issues that remain, and we'll amend the procedural schedule to have further dates for testimony or another evidentiary hearing. Okay. Are there any other issues that we need to address today?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Thank you very much. We can go off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Off the record.